Hey guys, this is Mahesh. Let me tell you a little story. I want to go on a trip across Sri Lanka. So I was searching for a way to plan my trip every step of the way using a mapping app on my iPhone. I checked out dozens of similar apps. Polar Steps, TripAdvisor, and of course Google Maps. None of them worked for me. Either they had problems with my locations in Sri Lanka, or the maps were not detailed enough, or they simply didn't have the features I was looking for, which was an easy way to set up waypoints for the 30 plus stops I intend to make. And Google Maps had a bug in which all my waypoints simply disappeared after a few days without any way to get them back. So long story short, I came across this app called Roadtrippers, which is 100% exactly what I was looking for. So let's check it out. So basically with this app, you can easily set up waypoints for every stage of your trip, and the app will auto-generate the fastest route to all the stops from your current location. Plus, you get recommendations for tons of additional places to visit along your route. For the free version, you can set up a maximum of 5 waypoints. But if you pony up to the paid version, you can set up a whopping 150 waypoints. Plus, you get some additional stars for the map. So basically that's it. There are some other features, but those are limited to the US and the countries in this list. But all I need are the waypoints. The maps are colorful and easy on the eyes. And they have lots of road detail and locations when you zoom in, unlike most of the other apps I tried, which is surprising for an app that's focused mostly on North America and Australia. So, to start planning a trip, you just click here and put in your current location and your ultimate destination. Then the app will give you optional places to search along your route. Hotels, points of interest, restaurants, historical places, and so on. And the places you choose will appear at the top in these colored boxes, which is neat. When you're done, just click Start Trip at the bottom and the app will auto-generate your route along with the optional places you selected. It seems to have a vast library of these places in its database, even in a whole country like this. Everything currently visible on the map will be displayed at the bottom, and you can slide through them and select them for further information. By selecting Add to Trip, you can add this place to your current route as a waypoint. You can also widen the search distance from your route to find even more places to visit. Well, I think I'll stick to just 5 kilometers. Also, if you need step-by-step navigation to any selected location, you click Navigate and it will take you to Google Maps for the directions. You can change this to Apple Maps or Roadtrippers' own map in the profile settings. You can also change the map style from normal to satellite. It also has some custom styles for the paid version, which I'll show you later. So let's add some more waypoints. Click on the search bar at the top and search for the place you wish to add. To add as a waypoint, you can long press on it and select Add to Trip. Or for a more precise selection, select the bottom slider and add from there. After 5 waypoints, you'll need to upgrade to Plus to add more. I use this code to get 20% off. As I add more waypoints, the route changes to show you the best path to each destination. However, sometimes these paths may not be the fastest. Best to use your common sense and navigate, and only take this as a rough guide. Also, with the paid version, you can select 3 additional styles for the map: Scenic, Light, and Dark. Dark looks great, but I think I'm going to stick with normal for now. You can also bring up the full itinerary anytime by hitting the little arrow at the bottom. So that's it. This app makes planning a trip based on lots of waypoints dead easy. Hope this helped you out. Thanks for watching. See you later.